Hey guys, recently on the channel we made a very simple basic iced latte recipe. So I'll link to that above now in case you want to watch that. But one thing that came up in the comments is that when you have these drinks, sometimes when the ice melts into the coffee, it can get very weak tasting. So are there any ways around that? Well, one thing that was mentioned was chilling the coffee first so that it doesn't melt the ice quite as quickly. So that was a good idea. I've been doing that since, popping it in the freezer for a little bit to cool it down before pouring the coffee in to the milk and the ice. But another way that we could possibly use is to make some coffee ice cubes. And that will hopefully give us a better tasting and longer lasting iced latte that maybe you could take away in a travel mug, take it out for the afternoon, and it'd last and still taste good as the coffee ice cubes melt into it. So that's the plan. Now, which pods could we use? You could use anything really, to be honest. Any mug-sized coffees would be good. Also the pour-over coffee maybe for the Vertuo Next, because that makes a massive amount. You would get lots of ice cubes out of that. But today I thought we'd use one of their iced Vertuo mug-sized capsules. So we've got either the iced Forte, we've got the tropical coconut. I thought either of those might be a good option. Obviously, if you use the coconut, that's going to affect the taste of the coffee a little bit. You're going to get that slight coconut hint as it melts. So I think today what I'll go with the intense spicy iced Forte capsule, and we'll see how that comes out. We're using the Nespresso ice cube tray set, so you can fit 9 ice cubes in, and they're 30 grams each, or 30 millilitres. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let some of this crema disappear, and then we'll pour it into the ice cube trays. So we've got pretty much a good 8 ice cubes there out of that, so we'll pop it in the freezer now, come back and make a nice coffee with it. So we've got our coffee ice cubes in our glass. Let's get a closer look at those. This is the Vertuo mug set I'm going to use today. We've put 4 of the coffee ice cubes in. They look good, ready to go. I'm going to use that, as I said, the double espresso iced Leggero pod. We're going to pour 100 ml of milk. We've got 100 ml of milk in the aeroccino. I'm going to hold the button down to get that cold milk setting. When it turns blue, you know you're going to get cold froth at the end. I'll then pour the froth milk in. I also want some vanilla syrup in there on top of the coffee ice cubes. Let's put plenty of that on. Not too much, but enough to give it some nice flavour. Pour that nicely over the ice cubes. Want enough room in there for the double espresso pod dough. And there we have a nice vanilla iced latte with the star of the show in there, the coffee ice cubes that we made at the beginning. We'll give it a little stir up. You could just sip away on that, knowing that the ice as it melts isn't going to water down your coffee. Like I say, if you're concerned at all about caffeine content, then you can make the ice cubes using decaf pods. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you've liked it. Hope it's helped you out. Do give the video a like if it has. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.